If you're doing any preventive, Hey YouTube, Aaron Davis here at FCP Euro, and welcome to a really quick product review. This is an Audi cooling system kit. It refreshes your vehicle's thermostat. This kit applies to S4s, S5s, Q5s, A6, A7s, any 3-liter supercharged Audi. If you experience any cooling system issues with overheating or possibly a sticking thermostat, I would suggest you getting a scan and seeing if you have actual faults for cooling system below thresholds or anything coolant related. This kit comes with a gallon of G12 coolant. You have to 50-50 mix it with distilled water. We include this coolant crossover pipe gasket because you do not want to reuse this or it will leak on you, and a new thermostat. The cooling system is really important to a vehicle to prevent the engine from overheating, and it could also cause a lot of damage if it were to overheat by warping heads or blocks. If you're doing any maintenance underneath your vehicle's supercharger, it'd be a good idea to check out your vehicle's thermostat. My personal preference is you check it every 50,000 miles to make sure your cooling system's up to date and see if it's actually leaking by dried up coolant around it or actual coolant puddles in the valley of the supercharger. This has been another really quick product review. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.